Let's go ahead and send things over to Scott Padgett now and continue this conversation about what is to come tonight. What's the radar showing you, Scott?
Radar showing that we do have some storms out there, Ken, off towards the west into the northwest. But you notice, as you also look at the satellite combined with this, the visible satellite showing that we've seen some peaks of sunshine. So the lid of the atmosphere, the cap, starting to break down a bit more. So that kind of puts a damper on some of these storms developing. So we're seeing a bit more activity now through parts of the Wise County area. But right now we do have a severe thunderstorm warning, not in North Texas. It is for Archer and Clay counties until 5:30, with this storm lifting its way off to the northeast. But you'll also notice that there's some scattered shower activity in Jack County, now into parts of Wise County. So we're going to keep our eyes on that also as I move the radar over, maybe seeing a little bit of lighter rain trying to develop in parts of Dallas County, even into Kaufman County. So that indicates to me that some lift is happening. So widening out the view, you can see back to the west, more storms developing. So the atmosphere really primed for these storms to develop. So here's a look at the first alert futurecast on this first alert weather day. We are seeing the scattered shower activity between about 5, 6, now 7 o'clock, possibly some more storms developing up near Cook County, Montague County, and also the cap. Storms are becoming what happens is the individual storms to maybe have some larger hail, possibly some tornadoes. But when they become more linear, we still could see some quick spin up tornadoes on the leading edge, but then the damaging wind threat also increases. So that's something we'll keep in mind between about 9, 10 to near 11 o'clock. And then by midnight, a lot of the activity is shifting its way to the east. And then overnight into tomorrow morning, we're quieting down. The cloud cover that's in place gets out of here and we warm up tomorrow. So with all those parameters in place, the ingredients are there for the potential of severe storms. So there's a severe thunderstorm watch from Cook County down through parts of the Hood County area, Erath County, and out to the west. We do have some of our storm chasers. They're out there. Let's show you one of our storm chasers right now. This is in Alvord, Wise County. So for Mobile 11, we're out there for you looking around, and you can see the skies there getting a bit more dark as these storms are developing. And of course, we will be the eyes for you to let you know if any storms reach those severe limits and where they're going and how fast they're going to get there. Coming back to the maps now, you're able to see that we do have this enhanced risk of severe weather that does include the majority of North Texas, does include all of the Metroplex. The west area is under that slight risk of severe storms. So enhanced to slight. So that enhanced is that level 3 out of 5 levels. Here's what we're thinking. Possibly damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher. Large hail cannot be ruled out. Even that tornado threat's there. And this time a flooding threat, which we haven't talked about a lot with some of these storms over the past few weeks. And look at this. With some of these storms, we might get about 1.25 inches to near 2 inches of rain in some localized spots. It's much needed rain. Of course, we don't want it to cause any severe flooding, but it's something we'll let you know. So you can see some peaks of sunshine from our Dallas Skycam. 78 right now at DFW. A south-southeast wind at 17, gusting up to near about 25 miles per hour. So into tonight, our temperatures start in the upper 70s to even the low 80s, where we're seeing some sunshine. 81 Mineola to near Tyler. So we'll see those rain chances go up to about 100% by 10 to near 11 for parts of the Metroplex. Those temperatures coming down overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Our temperatures not cooling much, still in the upper 50s to the low 60s. Tomorrow, a warm day with a south-southwest wind at 10 to 20. Then we have this front come through, cooling us down and more seasonal. Rounding out the week, will be near 70 on Friday. This weekend looking great. Rain chances not there for us. We'll see 85 on Sunday. A warm one Monday. Rain returns back into the forecast before this next system moves through.